There isn't a student who has graduated from BCIT that hasn't been impacted by the work that Judy does.
I'd call Judy an accomplice for me because she really does look at ways to move forward and create change in a really direct and open way around the rights of Indigenous people, the rights of other communities.
I was pulling together a strategic plan and I had a ton of information, and she did not hesitate. She was there in a second to help.
Indigenous people historically have not been included in a lot of rooms, such as boardrooms, such as classrooms. So to come into a room, come into a small meeting and having the respectful, open, honest dialogue, direct dialogue that Judy provides makes a big difference.
So Judy was teaching women in a technology program in India. IT services is still fairly male-dominated. So she is giving women, not only in India, but here in Canada, this opportunity to enter a field where there aren't a lot of women.
Looking at ways that Judy creates a community, brings people together, shares her story, shares her opinion. And for me, as an employee, watching that and seeing that and being part of that, I do believe that that's something that moves the dial, cuts the red tape in half, and really looks at ways to move some of the issues forward in a good way.
Literally, everything that Judy does, she makes better.